¿Qué pasa, everybody? Welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to be working on the little single cab. So this is my wife's truck now. She just said, hey, it's mine, and she took it from me, and you know I can't really do nothing about it. So we're gonna go do a 2 and a 4, 2-inch spindles in the front, 2-inch hangers, 2-inch shackles, and let's get to it. Hey. All right, I got the cherry picker hooked up to the back. Gonna lift it up a little bit, relieve some pressure from the leaf spring. Now let's remove the leaf spring from the hanger. All right, so on this side, we try to take off the bolt, but it's hitting the fuel tank. And I'm not trying to drop the fuel tank. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just grind the rivets, hit them with the air chisel, and remove the bolt once the hanger's out here. All right, so this is a fuckery I had to do on this side. I had to cut half of the bracket, pretty much half of it, because this runs all the way to top right here. I had to cut that way and down so I can get to that one, but all the other ones not too bad to get to. Now let's see if we can smack it off. We got it. I'd be lying to you guys if I didn't tell you this driver's side stressed me out. I didn't throw no wrenches though. I didn't throw no wrenches, so we're good. We're improving. This goes into here. You gotta put this in through the back. Go. Send it. There you go. Ah, I hate this side. Alright, we're making progress. So those are both bolted down. I had to drop the tank on that one to do that one. It sucked. Now let's remove these. Oh no! The hitch is on the way, ladies and gentlemen.
It's gonna probably pop on.
I don't know.
I told you.
Did I go up? Or was it up or down? I was up. Okay, now we can remove these. Place them with these pretty little things.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my God, casi.
We're good. Now we're gonna lower it so we can tighten everything up. Hasta abajo. All right, so this is what it looks like in the daylight. 2-inch shackles, 2-inch hangers, and we have about 6 inches of travel right now. That's without the bed. This side was the easy side. This side was a whore. I had to remove the tank in order to be able to tighten these bolts. Everything's still loose. Once I put the bed on, we'll tighten it up. Now that we got the back all situated, let's start on the front. So my friend has my torque sockets, so I'm gonna have to take the whole thing apart. We're gonna remove the whole brake caliper and bracket off in one assembly. Just set it aside for now. Alright, now we're gonna do the top. I think it's a... Are you fucking kidding me? See that? I can take it off with my hands. Oh my god. That one's a little tighter. Not by much. I pushed the axle far back enough. I just put the nut back on it, start smacking it, and it gave me enough room to, see that? Take it off on both. Now I just need the, which one? This one, which is going to be the funnest. Put this back in. There we go. Now I should be able to smack it.
You got something to drink?
Yeah, go inside and check. Yeah. There we go. Whew.
Okay,
There we go. We got it. Woo-hoo. There we go. What else? What else? What else? I think that's it. Now, another problem I came to. These tires are 16s. They're not gonna fit. So I need either 17s, cut the nut, or go 20s. So I'm gonna talk to the wife, see what she wants to do. I do have the stocks to my Yukon, but a friend of mine borrowed them like a week ago, And those are 17s. So I'm gonna go talk to the wife, see what she wants to do. But till then, I'm gonna go do the other side, see how far I can get today. Alright, so I'm gonna put the tire back on and I'll show it off to you guys. Alright, so we're done putting the lowering kit on the truck. But before I show you guys the truck, I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. I'm not happy. I'm not satisfied with the drop we got on the back. Alright. If I were to do it again, I think I'd go with the flip kit and air shocks in the back, because the amount of work you have to do in the back just to get 4 inches of drop, to me it's not worth it.
Ooh, you wanna come and get me, kick me down and make me hurt myself. Oh no, you will never forget me. I'm imprinted on your heart, I swear. At times you make me angry, but I know that it could always be worse, be worse, be worse. Baby, baby, now I'm trying to forget you. Baby, I know everything that was about you. No, I'm joking, I'm looking for the bathroom. Round and around, yeah, round and around we go.
Well, there she is. The tires we have on it do not help it at all, because they are $275, $55, $20. That's a really chunky tire, and the wheels are off of a 2015 Silverado LTZ, I think, or something like that. But I'm not happy with the drop. I mean, I don't know, maybe changing the tires will help it out a little bit, but we'll see. And so this thing went from 3-inch body lift to stock height to this. Let me know what you guys think. Adios.